working on a 3-pass filler downhill with the MIG welding machine. We got our about on 18 and a half volts. We're running about 243, I believe, on the wire speed. You do bad. You do bad. The main thing is to try to keep the gun down the line. But you ain't do bad. That was a good beat. So we've been stopping halfway and then tying back in, because you got to do tie-ins when you're working on welding, especially when you're building products. You might have to stop. It might be break time, and you got to be able to tie back in and keep it going. That was good. I see you about it.
Well, I know I ain't do this shit like that.
Well, you dropped that one, didn't you? That was good. Well, you make you look at it, didn't it? You did good, family. Way better. Way better. Like I say, today it's been the best you done did so far. On this, you killing it. Yeah, you killing it, fam. We got one more pass, fam, and then I think it's probably close to break time. We'll take a break and then dive back into it.
Yeah.
Make some more place up. That's good, man. I'm glad you're getting the confidence and you feel it. You even know when you're doing good. You know what you're doing. Like, oh, I think I got it. You're working on it, family. We want to see him win. You got a look off. You see where you at? Yeah, trying to see it. So you see, yeah, you just got a look off. But the weed wasn't bad. You just keep it in the center of it. Yeah, start right there, right in the center. I was directing you. Hey, go back in it. Stay back in it.
I really can't.
You couldn't see it, but every time I told you, pull back and say, hold up, get back over. But you did damn good, though. Practice made perfect, family. We in here enjoying the day and learning some skills.